Have you ever think Excel could be your calculator? Hello Excel explorers. Today we are embarking on an exciting journey to unravel the mysteries of Excel's enchanting world of basic formulas. I am here to show you the magic that happens when numbers and formulas collide. Welcome to the heart of Excel. The cells, each cell is like a treasure chest waiting to be filled with data, but that's not all. With formulas, these cells can perform dazzling calculations. Okay, let's start with some basic formulas which is using in our daily life routine. For example, addition of numbers, multiplications of numbers, subtractions of numbers, calculating average. Okay, start with sum. If you want to calculate sum of all these numbers, you want to calculate sum, just go to cell where you want their sum. Press is equal to, because in Excel each formula is starting with is equal to. Just type sum, small bracket starts, select the first cell. You can do it by your mouse or by typing. Now place colon in between and select last cell. For example, you can do it like this. Small bracket close, press enter, boom. It will show you the sum of all the numbers entered above there. Another crazy option is available. For example, just select the cell where you want sum, go to your formula bar, insert function. Here you have selected sum, press OK. Now automatically detected all the numbers, but you can do it manually by going this and this. You can select it C2 to C18, press enter, OK, same thing happen. You can edit formulas by going to your formula bar. For example, next example is you just want to calculate average of these numbers. Select the cell below there where you want average, go to formula, average, press OK. It will auto detect it. Press OK. Here is average of these numbers. Another crazy thing you can do, you can simply multiply or divide the numbers by placing their cell address. For example, I want their multiplication of these two numbers. For example, I just go to your cell bar, place your cell addresses, for example B2, place multiplication sign and C2, press enter. Sorry, I forgot to place is equal to. After placing is equal to, like this. Now you can drag down it to calculate multiplication for each. Same thing you can do it for division. Just change the sign of multiplication by division, like it will divide two numbers and give you the output. You can drag it down and you will get the formula to all the rows. You can also use Excel formulas in crazy way like this. For example, you want to add these two numbers and then divide by this, and then you want your output. You just go to your last cell where you want to output, press is equal to cell address of small bracket starts, cell address of first cell B2, multiply by BC2, small bracket close, divide it by D2, like C. It will multiply these two numbers, then divide by it, then it will give us output. Same thing you can do it for remaining rows, like it is showing us answers directly. But here's the real magic trick, parentheses. With them you can control the order of calculations. Excel follows the rules just like a trusty magical assistant. Congratulations! Fellow Excel explorers, you have unlocked the secrets of basic Excel formulas, the spells that make numbers dance and calculations effortless. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you're ready to take your Excel skills to the next level, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, Excel is your canvas of visibility. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.